So if you want to add text, what you have to do is very simple. Click on this icon here, this T icon. Now select text from the cursor position, right where I position the cursor. Okay, and now what you have to do is to create the text. Here you can type how to browser. We can highlight this, and now from here you can increase the size. Okay, that's too much, and now move it. You can also make it bold, and if you want to add solid simple brush color right in the middle, left right, here you can just move it, but that's how you create a simple text. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.